Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out another desktop. So I opened the Wikipedia page of UKUI Desktop. UKUI is a desktop environment for the Linux distributions and other Unix like operating systems, originally developed for the Ubuntu Kylin and written in the Qt framework. So UKUI full form is Ubuntu Kylin User Interface. Here you can see the full form is given. It was initially developed to work on Ubuntu Kylin, a Linux distribution that is one of the Ubuntu's official flavors. It is a fork of Mate desktop environment. It is lightweight desktop environment which consumes few resources and works with other older computers. It was developed with GTK and Qt technology. So it is a mix of GTK and Qt technologies. And here are some of the references to the UKUI desktop. And developer of this desktop is National University of Defense Technology, Canonical Limited. So Canonical has developed this for the Chinese nation, so for the use of the Chinese people and the Chinese government. And now let us go over to the GitHub page. So this is the GitHub page of UKUI Desktop. So you can download the code for the UKUI environment, desktop environment, and then you can compile the code and run on your machine. So here shown as the components that make the UKUI desktop. The core of UKUI desktop consists of Peony extensions, UKUI menu, UKUI panel, sidebar, media, greeter, screensaver, session manager, control center, settings daemon. There is a power manager, there is a network manager, there is a biometric authentication module, and the Kevin module. So Kevin is the Windows manager. So some of the technologies of the Qt environment have been used and some are from the GTK. So it is an amalgamation of both the technologies. And UK Windows UKWM, that is the UK window manager, is used when UKUI Kver is not available. Then there is a Windows switch module. Then there is a UKUI platform theme. So it provides the theming services. UKUI themes is also there, or Ubuntu Kylin theme is there. And the UKUI wallpaper manager is there, or it is also called Ubuntu Kylin wallpapers -wallpapers. And there are some optional components like the Kylin display switch. It is not needed with UKUI settings daemon, which has a version greater or equal to 3.1.1. Then there is a UKUI notifications daemon, UKUI biometric manager, UKUI system monitor, touch translator, and the biometric authentication. And some deprecated modules are UKUI menus, UKUI indicators. If you want to install the UKUI desktop on Ubuntu, this is the command sudo apt install UKUI desktop environment. Or you can get the latest version by adding the PPA, that is PPA Ubuntu Kylin members /UKUI, and then do a sudo apt upgrade. If you want to install the UKUI desktop in Debian Buster, you have to use these 4 commands: sudo apt install UKUI session manager, UKUI menu, UKUI control center, UKUI settings daemon, UKUI Windows switch, UKUI media, UKUI power manager, Peony, UKUI themes, UKUI greeter, Kylin display switch, and then you have to install the pip3 install request, sudo pip3 install request. G settings set org.mate interface GTK theme UKUI black. G settings set or org.mate.interface icon theme UKUI icon theme. For the Debian bullseye, you have to do these 3 commands: sudo apt install UKUI session manager, UKUI menu, UKUI control center, UKUI settings daemon, UKUI Windows switch, UKUI media, UKUI power manager, Peony, UKUI themes, UKUI greeter, Kylin display switch, UKUI sidebar, Qt UKUI platform theme, Kylin network manager, and UKUI wallpapers. And after that, you have to run these 2 commands from the terminal. That is G settings set org.mate.interface GTK theme UKUI black. G settings set org UKUI style icon theme name UKUI icon theme default. And in Arch, you have to just type this command in the terminal: sudo pacman -S UKUI xorg -server, and then do a sudo system control enable light DM. In Fedora, you have to just type one command in the terminal, that is sudo dnf install UKUI. Rest everything will be controlled by the system, and then you have to do the upgrade. So you can do sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade in any of the Debian based operating systems or the Linux distributions. And there are some UKUI issues are also there. So if you want, you can check out the issues. Okay, so this is not showing the list of issues, but I think you can search for the issues from here. So this is the UKUI desktop environment. So if you have say any issue with the your system, then you type the issue here, and if already the issue has been reported, you will see the issue there, and maybe you will also see the ticket for that issue. So I will go back now. So with this, what we will do is, now we will head over to the virtual machine that I have already started. So this is the Sparky Linux virtual machine. So UKUI desktop is available in Sparky Linux. So open the Aptos App Center, click on the desktops, go down. At the last row in the bottom, you find the UKUI desktop. So click on that. Now you have to install it. So it is very straightforward process. 380 MB of additional disk space will be used. So you have to confirm with Y. So now there is a change of the display manager. So you have to OK the change. So you have to choose between the light DM or SDDM. So you can work with SDDM also, or you can go over to the light DM. So both the display managers will work fine either with the KDE desktop that is already installed, or they will work fine with the UKUI desktop also. So let us go with the default light DM display manager that is recommended for the UKUI desktop. So we have now configured the display manager, default display manager for UKUI, that is light DM. So we have completed the installation of UKUI desktop. We can recheck it. Again, head over to the desktop section, click the UKUI desktop, and here you can see the reinstall button and the remove button. So this means the UKUI desktop is properly installed. With this, I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will do the detailed review of the UKUI desktop that is offered by Sparky Linux. So see you in the next video. Bye.